Let's recreate the viral and super trending na Dubai Chewy Cookie na pwede mo ring pang business or pang gift this Valentine's Day. Start tayo sa pistachio katayfi filling. Yung katayfi, in-order ko siya sa Conspire Foods. And for this recipe, para mas madali and mas mabilis, I use toasted katayfi. Pero meron din silang fresh katayfi na good for wrapping and shredded katayfi na pwede mong store sa pantry, no need i-ref. And they also accommodate large orders, so perfect if gagamitin mo for business. Next, add pistachio cream, mix then form into balls. So gumawa ako ng small and large na version. Chill or freeze for 30 minutes. Then to prepare yung chewy marshmallow, magsisift tayo ng cocoa powder and milk powder. Sa pan in low heat, melt butter and marshmallows. Pag ganyan na yung itsura, turn off heat, then add the sifted milk and cocoa powder. Mix until combined, then transfer sa oiled silicone mat or parchment paper. Divide marshmallow into portions, add katayfi filling, seal, then roll sa cocoa powder. Transfer sa paper cupcake liner, then sa heart tin can para cute. And ayan, meron ka ng Dubai Chewy Cookie. Try mo na rin and follow me for more recipes.